guys, I'm so happy to do my first vlog and to talk about my passion and my talent and the business opportunity. Today I'm so excited. I had a really nice customer. She is a woman with 6 children, and her husband did for her a birthday surprise. He bring her here to study, to teach. After she didn't paint since 14 years old, and it really was enjoyable for her and for me. And I'm happy that because she is going to be the first customer in my internet group, even though I didn't open it yet. What I'm going to teach in my group, I hope, is about learning, creativity, and all the parents can the idea to bring more creativity to the relationship with the children, and to bring creativity and finding their talent for the children and for the parents and adults themselves. And in fact, specifically, I'm going to teach about the kind of painting that I develop as a method, that is painting with a kind of painting that heals the body with meditation, breathing, to bring out all the bad feeling and to bring in all the happiness, calmness, and good feeling. And if something about it is interesting to you, I suggest you can write, you can ask any question you have, and I will be happy to answer. So bye now, and have a good night.